Did you know? An octopus has 3 hearts and still manages to hold more grudges than most. This thing is basically a floating brain with arms. No bones, all attitude. It can squeeze through holes smaller than your expectations and escape tanks like rent is due. Lids, locks, rules, cute suggestions. It changes color and texture in seconds, not for fashion, but to lie professionally. Predator nearby, invisible. Bad mood, camouflage. Octopus woke up choosing deception. They're smart enough to solve puzzles, recognize faces, and plan escapes. Yet they use that intelligence for maximum chaos. If octopuses had jobs, they'd be hackers, or magicians, or both. Nature really looked at the ocean and said, let's add something brilliant, unhinged, and slightly illegal. Don't forget to like and subscribe.